A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand. Find your peace in what and where you can. A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand. Find your peace in what and where you can. A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand. Find your peace in what and where you can. A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Maybe we should do the mustache too. Nah, kidding. Yeah, let's do it. Nah, I'm kidding. I can't get rid of this. All right, it's my trademark, right? Yeah, let's do it.
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand. Find your peace in what and where you can. A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand. Find your peace in what and where you can. A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand.
So this is probably really incontroversial to any of you guys. Who it's going to be controversial for? Ooh. Who is that guy? Who it's going to be controversial for are my daughters. All right, let's go see what my daughter thinks. Talk about controversy. Hello, daughter. Daughter?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think?
No, go away.
Huh?
Go away.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Turn around.
Turn around. Why?
Leave.
Why?
Leave.
What? How is it? Did I do okay? You're shaking your head no. Am I in trouble? You're shaking, you're nodding. Use your words.
No.
No?
I don't like it. Go away.
Don't tell your sister.
It's what I'm doing right now.
No, please don't tell your sister.
I'm doing it right now. I'm telling on you.
That's the controversy, guys. Wait till Thanksgiving tomorrow. And I'm going to pay dearly for doing this. Oh, this is awful. All right. November Fools, that was all just CG. All my facial hair is still there. Psych, it's gone. You know, my double chin isn't as bad as I thought. I still have a little bit of a turkey neck, but yeah, I'm definitely going to need to put some alum on my... God, who is that?